Hey friends, welcome back to the Healthy Skillet. If you're serious about baking with freshly milled flour, today's video is for you. We're diving into the WonderMill, its history, how it stacks up to the competition, and we'll walk you through how to use it step by step. Let's get started. The WonderMill wasn't always the WonderMill. It started out as the Whisper Mill back in the 1990s. While it was revolutionary at the time, it had a few issues that eventually led to a major upgrade. The Whisper Mill was an electric grain mill for home use. However, the manufacturer, Grainmaster Whisper Mill Company, went out of business around 2017, and the mill has been discontinued. The WonderMill is a newer product by Brownwick LLC, which bought the production rights and improved upon the original Whisper Mill design. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, delete toxins, review recipes, products, and recalls. Thanks for watching. While considered quiet compared to other impact mills, it was still louder than slow-speed stone mills, with a noise level comparable to a vacuum cleaner. It could only mill dry grains and legumes, and was not suitable for oily seeds or nuts. Milling larger dried beans required adjusting the dial to wider settings. Care was needed to ensure grains were clean, as hard objects could damage the milling teeth. The mill needed to be turned on before adding grain to prevent clogging. Cleaning of the lid, separator cup, and foam filter was necessary after each use to prevent flour residue from becoming rancid. The Whisper Mill had a limited adjustment range for flour coarseness. The Whisper Mill was prone to clogging and had a slower grinding speed compared to the WonderMill. So in conclusion, the Whisper Mill was a popular home grain mill at the time, known for its efficiency and ease of use, despite being somewhat loud and having limitations regarding the types of grains it could process. Users loved the fast flour, but the original model had problems with motor overheating, durability, and noisy operation, despite being called Whisper. So in the early 2000s, the company re-engineered it, adding a stronger LG motor, better cooling, more durable materials, and improved sound insulation. That's how the WonderMill was born. The WonderMill has emerged as a superior replacement, addressing many of the original Whisper Mill's drawbacks. And when I was choosing a mill for the Healthy Skillet Kitchen, I needed something fast, reliable, and capable of producing superfine flour for breads, muffins, and pancakes, along with fresh bread made with freshly milled grain. I compared the WonderMill to the NutriMill Classic and the Mockmill. While the Mockmill is beautiful and great for artisanal bread, it's much slower. The NutriMill is powerful, but louder and bulkier. The WonderMill hit the sweet spot for me, quietish, lightning fast, and easy to clean. The final selling point for me was the 6-year and limited lifetime warranty, in addition to the fact that there have been no product recalls. Here's what comes in the box. The entire mill is made from PBA-free plastic, with a 1250-watt LG motor housed inside. It's designed for dry grains only, like wheat, oats, rice, and beans, and again, not oily seeds or nuts like the Whisper Mill. Let us show you how to use it. First, attach the canister to the base and make sure the filter is in place and the cup inside. Plug it into a grounded outlet, then pour your grains into the hopper up to 8 cups. Turn the power switch on, and in just under a minute, you'll have fine flour, perfect for bread or pastry. The mill itself cleans as it grinds, and there are no settings to adjust. It's all automatic. Cleanup is super easy. Just tap out any leftover flour and wipe the inside of the hopper and canister. No need to take anything apart. The WonderMill comes with a lifetime warranty on the milling heads and a 6-year warranty on the motor and electronics for the original owner only. You'll find the repair form on their website, but don't try to fix it yourself. Doing so voids the warranty. As of this recording, the WonderMill has had no recalls or product safety notices reported by the CPSC or the manufacturer. If you're serious about whole grain baking, the WonderMill is a powerful, mess-free way and a great investment to level up your kitchen and health. We use it weekly and absolutely love it. You've been watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, delete toxins, review recipes, products, and recalls. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.